Took IROCdaily out for a cruise this afternoon. Started getting hot. Look at that bubbling over. And then I looked down in here trying to figure out what might be leaking. Nothing's leaking except for I found this. That's my electric fan. I think something's wrong with my electric fan. What do you think? Family, as you know, IROCdaily's been down for a couple weeks ever since it overheated, and the problem was that this nut came off of the fan and the fan went in the radiator. Didn't damage the radiator, luckily, but when I did take the assembly out, I found out that this whole section of the fan housing has actually been cut off. Somebody cut it off with a very jagged saw, and I'm not sure why that is, but I didn't want to replace it with an aftermarket fan. I wanted to replace it with an old original stock part. So I talked to my friend over at Camaro Parts Garage on Instagram, and he has a bunch of cool parts in stock that are old original parts. So we're gonna open the box and find out what I got here. Package out. Where's the start? All right. Got Camaro Parts Garage, a t-shirt, IROC. Nice. Built not bought, IROC. So in this bag. Alright, so I have an original housing fan in here. All the sections are still intact. Still got the nut on there. Awesome. Thanks, Camaro Parts Garage. We'll get IROCdaily back up and running in no time now. Thanks. This fan came off the 86 IROC. So CAV5 F-9. And you can see the back side is flat. So this fan was sent to me off of a stock car, but I don't know what year. It's a CAV8 F30. This one has a concave area around the bolt hole. And you can see that side that fits in there. And for the 86, it's a flat one, and this is a replacement motor that is a VDO fan. Just a little information there for you.